What's going on, people? My name is Sean.
And I'm Craig.
I'm Zaya, the professional eater.
And welcome to Season the Ting podcast, talking all things food, flavour and culture.
Brought to you by Original Flavour.
I want to know, what's the first restaurant you're going to once lockdown's finished?
Boy,
That's a good question.
that's a very good question. I got used to cooking at home, you know.
You don't miss eating out?
I do
miss it.
I miss it.
I miss sitting down, let others come to me.
In the warmth.
Serving my tap water with ice and lemon.
Tap water?
What I mean?
Do you know what? It's more the social aspect. I think it's more the social aspect of it, innit?
Yeah,
Meeting friends, linking up people, and the food and that, you know.
Yeah, for real.
Well, you know me, I'm always eating out, so I can't
Yeah.
wait.
So for me, depends what we're doing though. How much we're spending.
What's the first one you're going to?
First one, yeah. Do you know what? I'm a big fan of Satay Bar in Brixton. I love that place. It's
I like the
affordable.
cocktails.
They got good food. The service is good,
Very good place.
and they do great cocktails as well, man.
It's always a vibe in there, it is.
Yeah, man. You know what?
It is. Zaya,
You-
you go first.
Um,
Second.
I am going to the Sea Garden and Grill in Tooting Market.
Is it?
Oh
Okay.
my gosh,
Good.
I loved it. It's like Mayfair,
Yeah.
that kind of dining experience in Tooting Market.
Is it?
Yes.
And I know that you know your places, so I need to write that down.
You
in
need to
notes.
write that
That's another
down.
one.
That's a good one for date night, people.
Trust me. So
You know, because it's all £10.50 to go into central London now, isn't it?
Yeah,
How much is
yeah.
it?
Oh, is it what?
oh,
To
what,
drive.
congestion charge?
Yeah.
It's like 50. Yeah, it's
£15,
£12.
Well,
Or
Sea
£15
Garden
now,
and
isn't it?
Yeah. Is
That-
it every day, isn't it now?
Yeah,
Until
every
like
day
10 o'clock at night.
Yeah, man. It's like,
No,
alright,
but
only at
can't-
night time, you know.
Yeah.
Night's open at them times.
Yeah, but the restaurants are shutting at like, what, 11?
It's
Yeah.
mad, it's mad.
That's annoying still.
But you say like since shops have still been open in terms of like restaurants, like you can go in for like eating outside at the moment, innit?
Yes.
So it's
Yeah.
outside dining, if it's not raining, if it's not cold.
Mm.
But you've been anywhere, you guys been anywhere since?
No, I've actually booked a place for tomorrow, you know, called Crazy Pizza. It's Crazy Pizza, I think it's Crazy Pizza, yeah, Marleybone.
Marleybone.
Yeah.
What's the weather saying
on
tomorrow?
Terrace. It's quite decent, 16 degrees.
Yeah, that's
Looking
alright.
forward to
But
it.
yeah, tomorrow's a good day to go.
Yeah.
What's it tomorrow? Tuesday?
Yeah, it's going to be
Tomorrow's
warm.
Wednesday.
Okay.
Yeah, tomorrow's Tuesday, yeah. But once this comes out, it'll probably be like, it won't be Tuesday, but yeah,
Yeah, obviously it won't be.
it's all good.
Well, you know, I went to go and get my pineapple fries and my
Oh, yeah.
lychee cocktails.
You know that place, what? Like Balham.
Yes.
Tiki Tail Bar.
Pineapple fries and lychee cocktails. Make sure you try it.
Wow, how's it actually taste though? I'm a big fan of pineapple. Pineapple definitely goes on pizza.
Yes.
By the way, guys.
I'm a pineapple pizza guy, man.
Yeah, I didn't mind it.
If you know, you know, guys. Yeah, listen, pineapple and pizza.
Yeah.
Trust me.
So, it's like when you're biting into it, a hot juice comes out of the fries.
Yeah.
And I just feel like it's a weird sensation.
I can imagine.
Like, obviously I know that pineapple was juicy, but when the first bite I had, it was a surprise. I wasn't expecting that.
You know the batter of it? I saw it was quite crispy.
Yes.
Is it like a
It's like a
fried?
yes.
Right, okay.
It's not
fish.
like a soft batter.
Okay. Interesting.
I reckon I used corn flour. It looked like it was quite flaky.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was quite flaky.
Yeah.
Looks nice though. But I'm
That
looking forward to
texture.
going back to Hawksmoor. I'm a big steak man.
Hawksmoor.
I haven't been, but I've heard a lot about it.
It's good. When I first went, probably about 3 years ago, it was really good. After that, it was decent. Kept the kind of consistency.
So that's gonna be your first place you go to after lockdown.
Probably, yeah.
Yeah, I think that's one of the most important things about restaurants as well. Consistency.
Yeah,
Is, you know, you always go back because you know you're gonna get the same flavor over and over again.
definitely.
Yeah, man. Is there any like takeaway spots you've been to, like local places that you're missing? You know the yard shops, like the corner shop. I mean, I have that and I have that and
They're
them
still
thing there.
about though. They're still about, innit?
Oh, they're still about
Yeah, they're
still.
still
Yeah,
about.
yeah.
Like I discovered
Was it-
jerk goat in the first lockdown
Jerk goat, you know.
from that place in
Where?
Fulton Heath.
Jerk.
Tasty jerk.
Oh, Tasty Jerk. Oh,
Like,
yeah.
I had never been
Oh,
there.
that place.
Yeah,
oh,
yeah,
it's
that's-
what, on the White Horse Road.
Yes.
Listen, that place, man. That got the whole of Fulton Heath smelling.
I
Like
know.
that.
The jerk,
I know.
literally.
See,
But
the place
jerk-
in Fulton Heath, yeah, just got the fumes, the jerk fumes everywhere, man.
Guys, I think you got
Serious.
to try and make that. I want to taste your jerk goat.
Yeah, okay.
Like, can you make that for me one
They
day?
make jerk goat.
They make jerk.
You know what? I
goat.
haven't
mad.
been there. I remember I went there one time with my friend, like on a Friday night after school.
Yeah.
And the queue was so long. I haven't
Yeah.
been back there since.
Yeah,
Like,
I-
and that was probably about 15 years ago.
Yeah,
but I
yeah.
know that place is the place to go
Yeah.
for takeaway jerk.
Listen, I can't believe it when I had jerk goat. Oh my
Might have to go
gosh.
there.
Is it? I'm trying to understand. Is it the bone? Is it the goat with the bone or the boneless one?
All I know is when I go there, I make sure I tell them, give me fresh off the pan. That's the goat that I want.
Because I can't see them putting a goat with the bone on the grill.
Why not?
No, I think there is a bit of bone
Is it
on
boneless?
there.
Is it bone?
I think there's a bit of bone.
I think there would be, you know.
I'm trying to understand. Do they cook it down? So wait all 2 hours for goat to finish and then put it on the grill?
That's interesting.
Well, let us know in the comments if you want to see make it.
They have to.
They have to.
That's a long process.
They have to.
It's
But I can imagine that must be nice.
It is.
Yeah.
Tender, succulent, yeah.
Listen,
Full of the bone. Listen.
How different is it to the stewed like curry goat, like how you normally do it?
How different is it? The texture, I guess, because it's grilled goat meat. It's a bit more chewy, like.
Sorry.
Yeah, it's just nice. You gotta try it.
Yeah.
My belly's rumbling.
I'm trying to make that still.
My belly is definitely rumbling right now.
So what? Have you guys been cooking a lot during lockdown then?
Deliveroo or cooking at home?
Deliveroo was getting everyone in debt out here, man. Serious.
I think I went for a period, but I deleted it off my phone.
Yeah.
Because it's like,
It's a bit too much, you know.
I've deleted it about 3 times.
It's true. Even though we're big cooks, like obviously we love to cook. Cooking is the best, but
Yeah.
convenient sometimes,
I think-
especially with kids. Like,
Yeah.
convenience, and just for you want to do other things.
Yeah.
Whilst you know the food's being prepared and
Yeah.
delivered to you, and then boom.
It's like something to look forward to. It's like when you order something from Amazon and it comes. It's
Exactly.
like, wow, it's a special surprise, isn't it?
I gotta say, where I live, my delivery options are not even that
Is it?
great. It's a bit. I have to.
Jump on the bus and then start ordering somewhere else.
Yeah, or
so you
drive
can
and
get
go
something.
collect something. Yeah, but I haven't got the best delivery options.
Is it?
But my cooking skills, cooking game did improve during the first
Okay.
lockdown.
Okay.
What did you cook?
I cooked Outta for the first time in life.
Wow. Yeah. How did it come out then?
It came the first one I made. It was amazing. That
Is it?
was the best.
You must have used
Outta.
our recipe then, didn't it? Yeah.
I'm gonna make it for you guys one day.
Please.
Yeah, man,
This is quite embarrassing to admit as well. Last year was the first time I cooked mac and cheese as well.
Is it?
Wow.
Cheese.
I've had it so many times, but I just didn't need to cook
That
it.
was actually one of my first dishes that I made in life. Like mac and cheese.
Yeah.
I think first was obviously like an egg or something. And then second was probably saltfish. I get saltfish.
Yeah.
And then probably mac and cheese.
When you were younger, you used to make scrambled egg in the microwave.
Oh, you know what? My
You can do
brother,
that now. I
my
still do that
brother,
now.
my
Do you?
eldest
I
brother.
still do that now.
I don't do that no more.
I
My
do that
eldest
now.
brother showed
Good thing.
me how to do that actually.
That's what I used to
Still
do.
do that now. Trust me, microwave is that's where you can do so much stuff in the microwave. You be surprised.
Nah, it's
I
not.
try to
It's
stay
not
away
the
from
same.
microwave.
If you're in a
now,
rush,
but-
say kids and that, if you're in a rush and that, and we've got time to be put in the frying pan and that.
I don't have the
You can do
patience.
rice in the microwave. You can do pasta in the microwave.
Rice.
Pasta.
Yeah,
What?
of course.
Nah.
I guess you could, yeah, but
100%.
I've never tried that.
I don't know. I don't think I have the patience for that. Even though people say it's quicker, but I can imagine it being fiddly. You have to like put a certain
Keep
amount of
turning.
water and turn it. You know what I mean? A bit
Not
fiddly.
even, you know.
Wow.
Get a cereal bowl, yeah, pasta in, cover it with water on top,
Mm.
put it in the microwave for 7 minutes, bam. Same with rice.
Rice.
Rice as well.
It's not 7 minutes though.
7 minutes, bro. I'm telling you.
I hope it's not jerk rice.
Wow.
It's not. Nah, it's not jerk. That will fall through the grill.
Guys, if you've never tried it, you ain't missing nothing. Yeah,
Wow.
stick to the pan.
Trust me, man.
Wow. Have you had jerk rice?
Never. I've never tried it.
Would you ever? I'd love to try.
I only want to try it if someone wants to buy it for me. 'Cause I'm not
I
buying
would love
it.
to try it.
But
just to
jerk rice
see.
is easy though. Like it's jerk seasoning on the rice.
Are you talking about proper jerk rice
I'm
or
talking
that
about
pouch?
Like by Mr. Man.
Oh.
Bro, jerk rice. As I said, bro, jerk rice. As I said, jerk seasoning on the rice, on the grill, fall through on the coal.
Yeah.
Done.
No. That's like some tar
I'm
rice.
confused
black-
thinking about it.
I'm telling you. But on the real though, imagine if you actually put jerk paste on rice and cooked it.
It'll be
taste?
like spicy
Probably right.
rice.
I think it would be quite nice.
That's
Yeah.
right. Put some pineapples on top, make it
Yeah.
balance out the flavours.
I
With a little
think
bit of
that-
sauce.
Mm.
It will be
I
nice.
think it would be quite nice. Controversy there, but I don't care. It'll actually taste alright.
Yeah.
Definitely.
So what's your go-to meal on Deliveroo? That
You know what?
like had a long day.
Long
Get
day.
me quick, something quick, because you know something on delivery, you got to think about delivery when you're ordering, you know. You're thinking it's something you can get for, like, it's going to take 10-15 minutes to come,
Yeah.
Yeah.
or something might take 40 minutes, but you know it's going to be good.
Mm.
But what's your go-to,
Well,
like,
if it's at
delivery
the end
meal?
of the day, my go-to is probably like a burrito in the day.
Yeah,
Like
yeah,
a-
yeah.
Maybe like a burrito box,
Yeah.
the salad one,
Mm.
like the grilled chicken, the grilled onions, peppers,
Mm.
black beans. I love black beans.
Yeah.
That's probably my go-to if I'm really busy
Quick
in
and
the daytime
easy.
doing work.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah,
my
that-
go-to.
What you say?
if I'm ordering from home, Leon's, the satay chicken box with extra chicken and extra satay sauce with aioli and chilli.
Oh wow.
What's my second option?
The halloumi burger they do.
You got it saved, innit? You got it saved, innit? Like, you click it. No long thing. I like Leon, innit? I like the name because that's my middle name.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, Leon's my middle name.
So what about
So
you?
Leo came from son.
Yeah. That's where it came from, you know. My son. Do you know what? I thought of my son's name the day before he got born.
Oh wow.
Like, we never knew it would be a boy or girl. But something said to me, God spoke to me the day before and said, do you know, because it was quite a difficult childbirth, you know what I mean? A lot of hours happening like that. So the missus went through a lot. But something God said to me, he's a lion, he's courageous, and he's a fighter, innit? So God just spoke to me.
In the Leo month?
He's not, you know, he's not.
What is he?
He's September. I don't know what size. I'm not really a
Cancer?
star sign,
I'm
man.
honest, I don't even know. I'm done.
I'm not really
on
a
my own.
star.
I'm
Let us know in the
Aquarius.
comments, guys. What September the 23rd he was born. So yeah.
I think it's Cancer, but anyway.
No, it's not Cancer because I'm Cancer.
Is it not?
It's definitely not Cancer.
School? No, it's not. I don't know.
It might be Scorpio. I don't know. Scorpio. I don't know.
I don't know.
When's
I
your
have no
birthday?
July 17th. Cancer.
Oh, wow. What was I thinking? Cancer? Oh, gosh, that's
No,
far
yeah.
off.
idea. I'm a Libra. October 10th.
What were you?
I'm Aquarius, February 11th.
Okay. What does that mean? You know star signs, like, our nan's quite big on star signs as well. Like,
Yeah.
All I know
It means a
is
lot.
Caribbean thing.
that Leos,
yeah?
if you find Leos, I feel like they're the most consistent star sign.
Mm.
They're very fiery people, independent. There's a big characters. That's the only
Boy.
star sign I've noticed. Okay, yeah, there's a consistency in the
I
traits.
feel the star sign thing is like you see the traits. It can be a trait for anyone. I don't really.
Find out
I
who your
don't
Leo
believe
friends
it.
are, boy. Whew.
But there was one thing in the paper. There was something on the paper. Is it Aunt Debbie or something?
Oh no, man, not going on.
I don't,
Debbie,
you know, but I don't, fun that, yeah. But like, sometimes you read it, yeah, and you think, raw, like that's happening to me right now.
That's happened to listen.
It's mad.
Every
Is it
single.
me?
It's true what you're
Thing
saying,
happens to
though. Like,
everybody.
you can find something that's relatable.
Yeah, exactly.
But
Yeah.
I swear to you, if you find out who your friends, if they're Leos, I swear you're gonna see there's a trait that's in all of them. Like it's just so
It's
consistent.
mad,
The
isn't
Leos.
it? So and Nanny always says it, Nanny.
Yeah.
Guys, you guys know Nanny. Big up Nanny.
Big up
She's always
Nanny.
saying, oh,
Can't
he's
wait
a
to meet
Libra.
her.
He's a...
Yeah, no.
Yeah, listen, we're gonna have a barbecue first scene. You're gonna have to come.
You have to come.
I'm
Big
thinking
up
it.
Nanny.
But Nanny's
She has to
always
come and
talking
say-
about
She has to
star
come on the
signs,
pod.
yeah, stuff. Yeah.
She has to come on the podcast, man. She has to come on the podcast.
What has lockdown taught you?
So, as what, business or personally? Last one.
Yourself. What have you learned about yourself through lockdown? What's something new that it's taught you?
I think just being able to adapt quickly, you know, because once it happened, a lot of things got shut down. Whether that was work, you know, had a lot of events. We had like a supper club that was really booming at the time. So that had to shut down literally. So we had to think of other things. Obviously for family as well, you have to think, okay, can I come to this place? I might put my family at jeopardy.
Yeah.
It was a lot of things were like hanging in the balance. But you wanted to do something, but you didn't want to do it at the same time. So it was a very, very confusing time, man.
Yeah.
It was probably one of the most confusing times in life, really. But a lot came out of it, to be honest, with business.
Yeah.
Big things, actually. So.
Yeah, I think for me, on the personal level, I think it was a good time family-wise. 'Cause,
Yeah.
like, I was able to see like, my son grow and develop. And he was kind of born in COVID as well, so seeing them, seeing Leo more, seeing develop business-wise, it was good, you know. I think it was just, I had to adjust with the times because we were thinking what that brother said about the supper club. We didn't know what we were going to do because we kind of like, supper club was amazing, meeting people and stuff like that.
Yeah.
We're thinking, oh, what's going to happen with our business? But like everything we always do, me and my bro, like we're always thinking of new ideas, being quite innovative with ideas. We just thought, you know what, online now. Everyone's going to be online.
Yeah.
We start doing cook-alongs online. And a lot of people start to cook more online as well,
Yeah.
which was great. It was a great time. Our book was doing
It
well.
was booming, man. Our
Yeah.
book sold out during lockdown. Like, we're a bit more intimidated to cook before. They were a bit more, you know, they had a bit more of a, you know, a desire to cook. You know
Yeah.
what I'm saying? So it was good to see, man. It's good
Yeah.
to see. But same, my brother as well. Like, see my babies, my girls grow
Yeah.
every day. Whereas, you know, it'll probably be busy, you know, with work and with seeing friends. But you were, like, literally limited to home. What about you, Zaya?
Well, of course, the cooking skills situation.
Yeah.
I think that's definitely the biggest thing, because there were some dishes that I had never cooked before, and I cooked them.
Yeah.
So that was great. I've also, it was a good time for my platform. Like, I got to do like a lot of collaborations. Like the most I've ever done was last year. So I felt like I stepped up a level in terms of the connections that I made. I think one of them was working with KFC. I got to work with them in the summer and on their winter project as well.
Yeah, I saw that. That was big.
That was cool.
That was a big thing. How was that for you? As you know, you built your platform yourself.
Yeah.
And to get like a big firm, like big brand, like KFC.
It was like, oh, KFC, you know.
KFC. So what did they DM you, email you, like? How did that go?
The way how the first collaboration happened was there was something called Brand Share the Mic.
Okay.
And the agency, they messaged me and said, I want to be involved. And then they part you up with the brand who they think you're suitable to go with.
Okay.
So then that's how that came. And I guess from when I did the summer project, they liked what I done. I said, you want to work with us again in the winter, the winter.
So what do you do? What do you do? Obviously, the professional eater.
What do I do?
Like, what does that even mean? It's like, obviously, people are used to seeing us, me and Sean, starting to see a bit more on our page now and doing your thing.
What do I do?
What do you do?
That's a good question. No. So my main thing, what I really enjoy doing, is going on food adventures.
Okay.
Like, I love a food adventure. Going to different places. I did some foraging last year. It could be trying chef's food, trying food abroad. It's just any sort of journey path where food can take me. I'm there. I want to go and see it. Sometimes people ask me to review their restaurant sometimes. Or, send me stuff to try. But
living life, isn't it?
Yeah, trust.
Something that I forgot to mention. Last year I started doing food tours.
Oh yeah,
that was a good thing as well.
That was good.
That's definitely. I love that. I saw that.
So people would actually join you in where you're going.
Yes.
With the food. So how does that work?
So I give them so there's like a menu of what's available on the tour, and it's up to them what they want to pick.
Okay.
So yeah.
So do they have to like
buy
join
a ticket
you and buy tickets?
Yeah.
Okay, that's cool, man. That's sick.
Especially,
I know everybody loves eating.
Yeah.
Everybody loves going out, especially with lockdown easing now.
Yeah.
Jump back on it. What you thinking of something new coming up?
Well, people keep asking me, when's the tour starting back up? I want to go on tour. But yeah, I want to add some new spots to my tour.
Yeah.
Also, how can I forget about my burger? My
professional
eater burger.
Yeah, fighting in it.
Yes. My honey Hennessy glazed burger. How can I forget that?
Hennessy glazed burger,
Listen,
guys.
when we do our supper clubs back up, you should do a feature, man.
Yeah,
Yes.
that'd be sick.
That'd be sick. Like, you can do
So
your
basically,
burgers.
Zaya, you're like everybody. You're the industry's cousin.
Industry's cousin.
Basically, when your cousin comes around food and you're giving them to taste. You get me? You come out with the Tupperware. Is that what you do at restaurants then? You go around.
Come with my Tupperware. Yeah, I just want to come and try, eat everything. But I gotta say, I haven't been to like a lot of like bougie spots. I'd say I'm more of the like secret, low key. I've never seen that spot before.
Those are the best. Those are the best spots.
Like a hidden gem kind of person.
Yeah. Okay.
Not the spots that everyone goes to.
Yeah.
Low key.
So when you go on the menu, do you choose something that you never tried before, or
yes, I
is
do.
more intriguing?
I do start to experiment more. You know, I've got a bit of a bad habit though of always picking prawns and starters.
Is it? That's a go-to though, isn't it? That's a bit of a cheat.
But I think I probably have like 3 starters. But
I have a rule. I have a rule myself. I literally eat something that I've never ever tried before. Every place I go,
yeah,
I have to try something
new.
Something new all the time, and it makes it a bit more exciting. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It makes it more exciting. It's not just a takeaway. Takeaway. You know exactly what you're getting most of the time, but with that, it's easier to do something new, something fresh. You get me?
What would you guys go-to meals on lockdown? Like, what would you regularly cook if you were stuck at home?
Banana cake.
You know what? There was a point during lockdown, when there was no pasta on the shelves. There was no rice, not even toilet roll.
No flour.
No flour.
Yeah, no flour.
I had to go to the Polish shop. That's where I got my flour.
Goods were low, man. Goods were low. So what was your go-to meal you'll make at home? that was easy and quick that you can just rustle up.
But I felt like we was trying all different kind of things.
Yeah, that's
so
the thing, you know.
Yeah.
I don't think there was a go-to
Is
as
it?
such.
Nah, not really a
We
go-to.
did a lot more baking, actually, baking
Yeah, a lot
bread.
of people. Yeah. A lot of people make more breads, cakes, things like that.
That
I
was
was
a
doing
lot.
a lot of fakeaways, things that I would order, but I'd make it at home instead. Like, you know, the salt and pepper chicken wings.
Is that what they call it? Fakeaways?
Yeah, fakeaways.
Yeah, you didn't know.
I haven't heard that
Yeah,
term.
man.
I'm late to the party, boy.
Yeah, listen, late.
I like that.
Professional eater food and known. What do you mean?
Now she
Fakeaways.
just eats it, so she don't really make.
I didn't see no hashtag fakeaway in my timeline.
man.
Like, even on our page as well, like we'll do a lot. We used to do like weekly cook-alongs
Yeah.
on our Facebook and Instagram, just like teaching people how to cook. So we did like a Nando's one as well. We done a Nando's fakeaway. But you know, Nando's sometimes it tastes good, but you know, do a little more seasoning.
It could add.
Seasoning
Yeah.
things, you
Good
know.
thing about Nando's is consistent.
You
I
know
always
what I
say
mean?
Nando's is consistent. It consistently tastes the same. So-
Yes, it's true.
And it's decent and it's good. It's good. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's good. Definitely good. And it's decently and it's consistently good.
Yes.
You get me? But like my bro
That's what it
says,
is, man.
definitely
nice,
added
man.
flavour could make it even better.
You know when you guys did the cook-alongs, was there anything like challenging with those? You think, okay, we've got to do another cook-along. Like, was there something that you...
I mean, cook-alongs are amazing. We've done the cook-alongs with our followers, and we also done cook-alongs with corporate brands as well.
Yeah,
so
I mean,
we did.
like, the corporate brands, was there any like
Oh.
challenges?
Yeah, nah. You know what? It was really fun. You know.
Yeah, it was fun.
I think the
still.
challenges was like you had people cooking along with us that were maybe taking a bit long,
Yeah.
and they kind of had to just take your time with it.
Yeah.
And
I did their 2 cents. What
Yeah,
about
yeah,
this?
yeah.
Can I do it that way?
Yeah.
Even though this is the step-to-step recipe.
Or like they're cutting onions and they're crying and like, oh, I don't know. Wait, hold up, my eyes.
Yeah, but it was good, man. You know what I mean? We've done collaborations with Nike. We've done Nike. What else we do, bro?
We done
Barclays. We did
Moonpig.
Moonpig. Yeah.
Moonpig.
Yeah, man.
We did Red Bull.
Red Bull.
What was one of your favourite collabs from last year?
So many, man.
Oh, GQ, man.
Oh yeah, GQ.
Oh, yeah,
yeah, okay.
Yeah, that was
GQ.
sick.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How did that
GQ
happen?
was sick.
Random sort of email saying, oh yeah, would love you guys to feature on like a Black Pioneers
Yeah.
feature for GQ. Like,
Yeah.
okay.
They were doing like a Black Excellence. So
Yeah.
they were just celebrating Black entrepreneurs, young talent. So
Yeah, but Shaznay, innit?
yeah,
Shaznay
Shaznay
Lewis.
from
All Saints.
All Saints.
Do you remember
Yeah.
the All Saints?
Yeah, I remember her.
Yeah.
Shazna,
Guys, if
yeah.
you know about All Saints, yeah, get in the comments and let us know.
Yeah. It's
Yeah?
a big group.
Big group, man. Amazing woman as well.
Yeah.
She's doing fashion more now.
Okay, she
Singing.
works for GQ.
No, I think she does like
Collaborate.
freelance and it was
Yeah.
like a collaborative
Yeah.
project that
Okay.
she headed.
Yeah.
And
But
she
yeah,
did Salsa.
GQ was amazing, man. They had a selection of clothes to choose from.
Yeah,
Armani.
it's crazy.
Yeah,
You get to keep any of the
Balenciaga,
clothes?
No, we didn't, you know. I should have asked. Someone
Unfortunately.
said that. Did you get to keep any? But
No,
I didn't even
unfortunately
ask. I should have asked.
Do you have any of the pictures up in like big print at Nan's house from the
No.
GQ spread?
You gave her
No.
the magazine though.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we want to get one and print it out for her.
Definitely.
It's a
Yeah,
nice
you
picture,
should.
man. It's a nice
Yeah.
brotherly love picture.
Yeah.
Mum loves it as well.
Yeah,
so
I love the black and white. It was great, man.
That's amazing. But as you said as well, like, I mean, last year was a great year for us as well.
Yeah.
Doing a lot of collaborations with brands. I think it was a time where brands knew that it was an opportunity for them to, to reach out to audiences
Yes.
with cooking.
Yeah.
Because the world wasn't open, but people were at home and cooking.
Content was
So they
king.
knew that was a great time for them to know,
Very much so.
to exploit.
Exactly, and I think we were ready as well. I think we were ready
Mm-hmm.
for that moment.
Yeah.
You know, sometimes when things happen, you're not ready.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, so we kind of stayed ready before
Yeah.
it even happened. Before there was a lockdown, we consistent with videos, consistent with recipes, consistent with, you know, what we were doing. So when lockdown actually touched down,
Yeah.
we were ready. And I think that was something that we learned definitely as a business.
Yeah.
You got to kind of stay ready, man, because you don't know.
Because they're hungry.
You got to stay hungry. You got to stay ready because you don't know what's going to come.
Trust
You
me.
know what I mean? You don't know what's going to come. And if you're ready, you get me? You're ready to go.
And I think it's also like it's the ethos of the business as well. Like Original Flavour is all about showing people how to make Caribbean food,
Yeah.
and it was just something that was just made sense. Like
Definitely.
what we do, like we show people how to make Caribbean food. So the cook-alongs, showing people how to cook, it just made sense with the books and stuff like that. So
And I feel like people like me, it taught us how to become a bit more entrepreneurial and get our business cap on.
Yeah. This is it.
'Cause, you know-
exactly,
Yeah, man.
exactly. I mean, you were a part of the Flavour Festival.
Oh.
Even that happened
Yeah,
as
yeah,
well.
yeah.
How can we forget that, guys?
Yeah,
I don't
Flavour
know how.
Festival. You know?
I don't know how we forgot that.
No, that was a
For the
big
people them that
deal.
don't know, innit? For the people that don't know.
Yeah.
Um,
Flavour Festival. Wow. That was the first ever online black chef
all
festival,
black.
all
Yeah.
black, showcasing some of the best festivals in the UK.
Like
At
the
the
best.
time.
First ever. Did you hear that, people?
It's first ever, innit?
Yes,
So,
yes.
so,
Yeah,
so
man.
showcasing some of the best black chefs.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
eaters.
Past, present. We had big man Ainsley Harriet.
Yeah.
Ainsley Harriet
He was at our studio here
was
cooking
there.
with us. You know, that was like a dream.
Jiggling,
massive,
you know what I mean?
wine in his
And-
waist.
Yeah, he was
Same,
right.
the same how he is on camera is the same
Same
how
way.
he's in real life.
Same
Like,
way.
it's
And he
amazing.
was so humble as well. He came up, said, "Yeah, man, I can't wait, guys. Like, it's gonna be so exciting. It's so
Yeah.
good what you're doing. It's
Yeah.
literally so much
Yeah,
energy,
so much energy.
so much joy, happiness. It's like contagious, man.
He's proper hands on
contagious.
as well. He's in the kitchen washing up,
Yeah, yeah.
getting his own ingredients ready. Like, cool guy, man, cool guy. But yeah, it was a great event. Like, Zaya, you were there.
I was. Like, it
Tell
was
the guys
such
what you're doing.
Guys, it was such a great privilege to be part of the Original Flavour
Flavours,
online
yeah.
food festival.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
So I got to try a few dishes, talk about my journey and what I do. It was just great. I finally got to eat the food.
It's good. No, it was a pleasure having you. You're doing such a
Yeah.
great job. Like,
And I
yeah.
want to say shout out Ollie, big up Ollie.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah. Big
Oh,
up Ollie,
wow.
man, for production,
100%.
man. Seriously,
Definitely.
that was
Big
that was
up
amazing
Ollie.
production. Serious,
Yeah,
man.
man.
We couldn't have done it without him. Tell you that.
I'll tell
We had
you,
some,
man.
some amazing acts as well.
Mm.
We got all the kids that was involved. Bakers,
I forgot the name, man.
Carissa's
I'm
Kitchen,
rubbish.
yeah,
Carissa's
Creasy's
Kitchen.
Kitchen,
Nancy,
Liam Bakes,
Malika.
Yeah, man.
so much people, man. But yeah, hopefully we'll try and make it a physical event.
Amari as well.
Amari
Yeah,
as
man.
well.
What's that lady's name?
What the- The mic can't hear you. No I'm joking.
That lady.
But yeah.
Chase with the curly hair.
Oh yeah, Melissa,
Rachel Amma.
Rachel Amma as well,
Yeah.
and Melissa Thompson.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
Riaz.
Amazing
Bare people.
talent, man. Hopefully we'll try to make it a physical event this year. So God willing,
Definitely,
You will happen.
100.
it will happen. You got to speak
100,
it.
man.
You gotta speak it.
1000%, man. Yeah, man. I think we're about to wrap up.
Yeah,
You get me?
Yeah, man.
With this
First one.
first podcast. How's it, guys?
yeah, it's good.
You good? You feel good?
Yeah, good, man. Yeah, man. So
Bedding in.
I've got to keep still though.
Guys, you got
Yeah,
to
it's all
tune in.
good.
Guys, got to
The
tune in for
nerves.
more,
yeah,
more flavour, more season the Ting podcast.
Trust
Trust me, you guys gonna love what we're about to bring you, man.
trust me, guys. So yeah, so every podcast, guys, we got like a recipe of the podcast.
Yes,
So today's recipe of the podcast is gonna be wings.
man.
Some chicken wings that we just rustled up with whatever we got in the cupboard. You know, it's a lockdown series.
True
so
lockdown style, man.
Trust me, man. You know them ones where you just pick out the cupboard. You can't go to Sainsbury's.
I've got
It's
a
too
good
late or there's
question.
nothing there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What has been one of the best cupboard contents recipes you made in or lockdown or recently?
So many, man. We
There
made
must
so
have been
many
like
like
one
that.
standout dish or that day. Wow, that
Oh,
was an amazing recipe.
I made like a pasta, a roasted sesame pasta, roasted tomato sesame pasta.
Yeah.
So it's just tomatoes in the oven and sesame cooked down.
Did
with
you
garlic.
save the recipe?
Oh, no, I didn't, you know.
Oh,
And this is pasta and then kind of make a little tomato paste.
sounds really
out
nice.
of that. And then, yeah, throw in the pasta. It's nice, man.
That was
Olives.
bad, yeah.
So good, man.
Yeah, cooking easy.
But I'm
yeah.
hungry, man. Them wings,
That's-
I can't lie. Like, my belly's rumbling. And
Trust me. So
the
yeah,
wings are smelling good still. I
so
can't
yeah,
lie.
it's just wings, man. It's just season the Ting podcast.
Season the Ting.
Season
go.
the Ting. So get it.
Yeah, man, get it, man.
I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. They kind of man up.
Is it fun?
Craig, how long do you leave when you're seasoning your chicken? How many hours do you like to season it before you're gonna cook? Or does it depend what chicken you're making?
That kind of depends. Like, on a real, like, these days with the kids, it's just straight season and straight in the oven.
Yeah.
If I know, if it's for a special occasion or
Yeah.
the weekend, I
Yeah.
do it from the night before. The quickest is literally about 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Averagely, it's probably for about hour.
What's your top 3 ingredients for seasoning chicken?
I would say, you know what? Recently, it's been chicken five spice. You know,
Is it?
not chicken five spice, Chinese five spice.
Yeah, that's quite a
Yeah.
nice seasoning.
Yeah, man, that's a silent little
Oh.
sneaky one there. Oh, okay. Now, where's the rest of the plates though? Like, what going on? Is it just one?
I like that on wings.
Is it just
I
for
mean,
Zaire or like what going
it's for the
on?
professional eater.
Yeah, come on. Okay.
Are we getting in there?
Because it's Zaire's featuring. Hold it, yeah. Alright, cool. I'll hold it, yeah. I'll say no more. By the way, that's Sergey in the background saying, yeah, Craig, hold it. So, big up Sergey. Sergey.
Yeah, man.
Look at those wings.
Big man production.
So yeah, guys, recipe of the podcast.
Are we just distributing it all?
What?
Are we
What
eating?
you gonna do? Yeah, why not?
Yeah, why not distribute?
Eat it, bro. I don't know what it tastes like though.
That's good.
Season the thing, guys. Recipe of the podcast. Some lockdown wings.
The drums is the best part, by the way, guys.
So basically, this is actually mango chutney wings with some all-purpose seasoning, some chilli.
Oh wow. That's why I love the sweetness in wings. Yeah, it's the best.
This is gonna be like some ASMR thing.
I got improving my eating in front of camera.
Oh wow, guys, listen. Me, yeah, this little tip bit here on the wing. I yam this thing like it's my
Listen,
last
guys, yeah.
wing.
You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna put the recipe in the description below for you guys can try these wings. And yeah, man. What do you think, guys?
Is that eating so? So
Diane,
eating a
professional
professionally.
eater. Give us a little review. What are you tasting right
You
now?
know when they say you're silent and you're eating, yeah, you know it's good. I was eating my wings, forgetting I was on the podcast. But I'm a big fan of mango, kind of. What do they call it when they put it into a salad? Mango salsa.
Oh, yeah,
on
yeah.
food. Like, I just mango on food. I love it.
Oh, this is good, man.
This is really nice.
It's a bit like the wings that you get at Saturday Bar in Brixton.
I feel like you can't go wrong with seasoning mango on any food.
So true.
And if you don't like mango, I don't know what
I
for
don't
you.
know what going for you. And the people that think fruit don't go on like meat, like I don't understand those people.
Who said that?
Some people don't like fruit on their meat or fruit on like chicken or.
Okay.
It's weird, man.
So-
The sweetness just brings it
You
up.
saying, sir, do you want some? Yeah, man, why not, man?
Is there any left?
Yeah, man, good.
Bare bones left, bro. But now, man. What's your most favourite part of the wing? Drums or
I
flat?
like it.
I like it. Listen, I was saying
the
that tip,
flat wings.
to me, that tip bit, yeah, people that cut off the tip and just leave the drums in the flat, those people need to go to, I'm not going to say hell, but they need to go to a dark place because you can't cut off the tip of the wing, man. That bit's nice.
There's bare flavour on it.
I'm telling you.
Anymore.
You know that bit there?
This is the tip bit, innit?
Yeah,
This
this
is-
is-
Oh,
yeah.
wait, listen, guys, you know about this bit here, yeah? This is the way the wing, yeah?
This is the flavours on
Why
that
this
tip.
bit, the bird can't fly, you know?
It's
Trust me.
Listen, you can't fly without having that wing. I'm telling you.
Good though, yeah? Now, I'm going to put the recipe down below, guys.
Yeah,
Check
man.
it out. Good. Season the Ting podcast,
Big up.
brought to you by Sean.
Zaya.
And Craig.
Can't finish. Take care, guys. See you soon.
Take care. Bye.
I thought about eating on camera because I know you don't like it.
Nice
Sick, man. Good one.